Hi everybody, I am Flávio Gomes da Silva Lisboa, FGSL, and I am the author of this book, PHP Web Development with Laminas. This book takes a hands-on approach to equip you with the knowledge of the Laminas framework required to start building web applications based on the reuse of loosely coupled components. You learn how to create the basic structure of a PHP web application divided into layers, understand Laminas MVC components, and be able to take advantage of the Eclipse platform as a method for developing with Laminas. Step by step, you build an e-commerce application based on the technical requirements of a fictional business and get to grips with implementing those requirements using Laminas components. By the end of this web development book, you'll be able to build a completely secure MVC application in PHP using Laminas. You can find all the source code for this book at the PHP GitHub repositories. If you have any doubts about this book, you can write to me in the comments of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye!